Essential science concepts. Every CSS aspirant must know essential science concepts for CSS success. Are you a CSS aspirant struggling with general science and ability? Don't worry, in this video, we'll cover the essential science concepts you must know to ace this part of the exam. Section 1, Introduction to Science in CSS General Science and Ability is one of the most scoring subjects in the CSS exam. It tests your basic understanding of everyday science and its applications. Why? Science is important for CSS, high scoring potential, everyday relevance, logical and analytical focus. Section 2, Core Topics. To focus on core science topics for CSS, let's dive into the most critical science concepts you need to master for the exam. 1. The solar system, planets, moons, and the sun, key phenomena like eclipses and seasons. 2. Human anatomy and biology, the major systems of the human body, circulatory, respiratory, and digestive, focus on organs like the heart, brain, and lungs. 3. Physics basics, laws of motion, gravitation, and energy. Practical applications like electricity and magnetism. For chemistry essentials, chemical reactions, periodic table basics, and elements. Everyday applications, acids, bases, and salts. 5. Environmental science, climate change, renewable energy, and pollution. Sustainable practices for a better future. Section 3, Practical applications of science in the CSS exam. Understanding how science applies to real life is crucial. For instance, physics in daily life. How does friction affect driving? Biology in medicine. Why is the human heart called a double pump? Chemistry in cooking. What makes baking soda react with vinegar? Relate these examples to your answers for added clarity and impact. Section 4, Tips to prepare effectively. Tips to prepare for science in CSS preparation is key. Here are some quick tips. 1. Use simple language when studying and writing answers. 2. Practice past papers to identify common topics. 3. Use diagrams for clarity, especially for biology and physics. 4. Stay updated with current science developments like space exploration and environmental policies. Section 5, Stay confident and practice. Remember, the CSS exam isn't just about memorization, it's about applying what you know. With consistent practice and a clear understanding of these essential science concepts, you're well on your way to success. Did you find these tips helpful? Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with fellow aspirants. Together, let's ace the CSS exam. Subscribe for more CSS preparation tips.